What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. What's your name?
Anna.
That's Adam. That's my mechanic. He's a professional. I'm not. I just tinker on things for fun. Anyway, we're out here with the D16 Y8 Turbo and a couple cactuses. I don't know if you can see those there and that one there. They're currently rooting, which is pretty cool. So here we have an engine stand that we're going to be installing, putting together. It's not really installing. We're going to put it together, yeah? Yep. Yeah. So we're gonna do it here in the garage so the sun isn't beating down on us. Yes, so first things first, I'm gonna take the cacti off the roof of the car, put them on the ground, and move the Civic back. Yeah. Also, I have some eyelids that actually fit this car. These are for a 96 to 98 headlight. I have some in the kitchen that are for a 99 to 2000, which is what this is. All right, let's get this car moved out and get this thing assembled, and then we can hopefully get, yeah, we're gonna drive it real quick. We're gonna get this thing assembled and hopefully get the F22 B6 short block onto it. So get to work.
Then call you outside.
Yeah.
Call you outside.
Yeah. Let me sit down and you can sit in here and drive. He likes to drive when we do things like that. It's nice to have him helping me out. So, yeah, like I said, here we have the engine stand. Damn, I got some more oil that's spilled. We're gonna do it over here. Yeah, I'm gonna transfer this to the tripod. To get this done, we'll start by cutting it open.
Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you miss your ride? Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Lost with flying colors now. Let it go. Of the you, let it go. Let it go. Of the Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky.
Alrighty, y'all, so we got it put together. Looks good. I'm sure that probably looked like two monkeys trying to assemble this thing. You know, my mechanic was doing better than I was.
No dry?
Not yet.
Yeah.
In a little bit, we're gonna try and get the engine on here. So, yeah. I'm gonna try and get the F22 B6 block on here so I can get the oil pan off and get the pistons out. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll check back in with you as soon as we're done. Alrighty, y'all, so I have the wrong bolts ordered, They're just not big enough. That's probably my bad. So I gotta figure out exactly what size bolts I'm gonna need and order those up. It's coming though, it's coming. We're getting there, we're getting there.